Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Miss Bling. If you have any suggestions about what you would like to see blinged, what products I'm using, the glue that I'm using, all the techniques, I will be uploading. You have been seeing a lot of products that I have been blinging over the last 5 years that I've had my channel. I really would like to thank you for sticking up with me for all those years. I have almost reached my YouTube certificate of 65,000 views. Yay! But I need more subscribers. So if you're watching this, subscribe and yeah, bloop bloop. God. How many times I have to make this type of video? It's all these bloopers. As you noticed, my videos have been only from products so far, but I've promised you guys, after a lot of requests, emails, messages, I really felt the love, and yes, that's me. Here am I. You wanted to see who was behind all the products. So as I promised, I will start making vlogs, tutorials, a little bit more into deep and a little bit more fun than only just the finishing products. So you can see these earrings, you see, before and after, bling bling. If you want to stick with me and you want to see more of my stuff that I've been making, all these blingy blingy stuff, and the earrings, of course, and wait, I have more champagne glasses to you guys. So I really hope you will enjoy my channel, and of course subscribe, and yeah, you will see lots of more bling bling. Bye guys.